Ag konsuelo da dagiti ubing eh. Patisikan. Ay, do not touch the water. Ah, hanyi badak ah. Ala, remembrance posterity sa Ikiano. Yan ang ganda oh. Sabi mo, alauna yung session. Oh, doon, sa pag-akyat doon, no. Teka kayo, mauna ako doon sa taas para makita kay Jekwa pa yung pag-akyat nyo. Ah, be careful ah. Oh, sige, sige, come up. Ma'am, nadalaw lang kami ah. We just came from the radyo ng bayan. And then, gusto nila makita ang napakagandang school. Mga participants sa radio broadcasting seminar. You have seen Cagayan State University. This is Caritan campus, right? Four, 5, and 6. Hindi, we just from Ballesteros delegation lang ito. There are other delegations coming from other districts. Okay. Hindi nyo makita. Puro malalaki kayo eh. Ano? May presyo. Saan na makita ka pulos? Ay, tanong na nga ninyo kung anong affair. You ask somebody. Elaine, you try to ask somebody kung ano itong na... You try to ask, magtanong kayo, ano po itong kasalukuyan sila-celebrate dito sa Cagayan State University, okay? You find somebody there na who could answer you.
Bata lang ah. Oh, yung mga tao.
Okay. So, yung mga kung ito. You ask somebody, tignan nyo kung makapagtanong kayo for somebody, for the information kung ano magagathering dyan. Ito ngayon yung mga participants sa radio broadcasting na sponsored by the Department of Education, attending and witnessing itong CSU Friendship Games, ano? Which started today and this will be for 2 days. It's a 2-day opening program, CSU Friendship Games. And we are witnessing, of course, itong mga performances ng ating mga, probably these are the students of the SED School. This is Cagayan State University, Caritan Campus. At nandito ngayon ang mga elementary grade pupils who are witnessing this Cagayan State University Friendship Games. Sandali, kunang kayo nakaharap ha. Sandali, excuse me, can I? Sandali lang ha, form and hotel. CSU Friendship Games. Oh, you take note. Gagawa kayo ng report yan, ha? What have you seen? Saan nangyari yung different W's? Okay? Okay, let's go, let's go. Thank you po. No? Papalabas na kami ng Cagayan State University after visiting Radyo ng Bayan, and we are now dito sa main gate ng Cagayan State University, Caritan Campus. Maraming salamat po.